Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design fork clamp in SolidWorks. Just start it, open SolidWorks. At first, we start from front plane. So right click on front plane and click sketch. In here, we use a millimeter unit for dimension. So we start from here, draw circle, draw two circle like this, and set dimension, diameter 30 and diameter 50 millimeter. First is 30 millimeter and second have diameter 50 millimeter. After that, make a center line to the stand in here 100 millimeter. So just click center line, draw from this point like this. Ensure the center line go make horizontal and set the dimension in 100 millimeter. After that, we just to make two circle again like this. Draw like this and this. Set the dimension. First circle have diameter 10 and second have diameter in 30 millimeter like this. After that, just make a line, select line and connect this circle and this circle. Ensure this line and this circle click make tangent, this line and this circle click make tangent. You can see again in here I have distance 10 millimeter with this line. So select offset entities. Parameter is 10 millimeter. Just click this line and click OK. After that, we can to mirror entities. Entities to mirror, you can select this line and this line and mirror both. Choose or select center line. Click OK. And we can to erase to make sketch like this. So erase with same entities like this. Erase this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, like that. Don't forget in here have some radius in 1 millimeter. So sketch fillet parameter we can change in 1 millimeter. Select this point, this point, this point, and this point. Just click OK. Okay, so simple. After that, we just to export to solid part. Click feature and click extrude wash. For direction, we change in mid plane. For symmetry part, the total in here, the thickness is distance in here is 60 millimeter. So for deep or thickness in here, we can input in 60 millimeter. After that, just click OK. First, we just make sketch like this. We have solid part like this, but the shape is like this, like a fork. So we just to make sketch like this to cut this shape or this solid part. So start for top plane, right click on top plane and click sketch. Draw center line, click center line. Ensure we draw from the center of this part, this point to this point. We can check in here. This line and this center line have distance 30 millimeter because a half of 60 millimeter. After that, make a line, draw like this and this. Ensure this line make horizontal and this line to this center line have distance. In here the total is 14. We just to make a half sketch, so a half of 14 is 7 millimeter. Don't forget this line and this line have angle 135 degree like this. This line have a length 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. Okay. Now total in here is 140. We can check in here it's 140 millimeter. like this. Then we can to make line again, draw like this and this. After that, we can see in here have a cut like this, so we can click offset entities to mirror, select this line, this line, this line, and this line. For mirror about, select this center line and just click OK like this. After that, we can to cut with the feature using extrude cut. For direction, we change in through all both and just click OK like this. We want to make again a cut in here, so top plane, right click on top plane and click sketch. Okay, draw center line from this point, center of the part like this. Ensure the center line is make horizontal. Then we can to convert entities for this edge and this edge and this edge. Just click OK. We can see in here the thickness is 7.5. So we just to use offset entities, click offset entities. For parameter, input 7.5 millimeter. Just click this line or this edge. For direction to in depth in here, so we can click reverse to change direction like this. Just click OK. Ensure this line and this line they make a parallel like this. Then make a circle, because in here have a radius 10, so we just to make circle from this center line. Set the dimension of circle in here. Radius is 10, so the diameter is 20 millimeter. This circle and this line, click make tangent like this. After that, it's so simple. We just to mirror entities. Mirror entities. We can just click this line and this line, this line. For mirror about, select this center line like this and just click OK. We can check the distance in here is 7.5, is 7.5 and 7.5. Appropriate this drawing. Then we can to erase or trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Select line and connect this point to this point like this. Then go to feature and extrude cut. Direction is through all both and just click OK. For cut extrude, we can click direction again through all both and just click OK and done like this. Don't forget in here have a radius fillet is 20, so select a fillet in here is 20 millimeter. Click this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. In here have some fillet, but we just to make a same with fillet in here. Radius in here is 20. So in here have some radius too. We just to make same like this is 10. So click a fillet again. Fillet parameter is 10 millimeter. But select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. After that, we can to make a fillet all edge inside of the part like this. Every edge of the part. Select the fillet in here for example, so in here we change in 1 millimeter. We can to left click and drag like this. Wait until all edge to defined. After that we can to fade permanent in 1 millimeter. Just click OK and done. So simple like this. So we just to change the color. For interest part maybe is this color, and we can change the color again. For the face is white. For the hole, 3 hole in here, just click OK and done. This is to make a fork clamp in SolidWorks. Okay, I hope this tutorial help you to learning or practice in SolidWorks. I apologize if there any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.